I've hid from the awful shadow, I've kicked, I've screamed, uninvited from the shit show, I've cried, I've begged to be. Hang on. I can't do this. Come on, why are you doing it too?
It's for autumn.
I've cried and I've begged to be high at my low. I turned around, stared at the sun. The shadow was gone, and now I see the proof.
It's super tangy.
I'm going to be loved. I'm going to do it myself. I'll be my chosen one.
Yes.
What are you doing?
God.
Would you burn your hands? Candyce? Yeah. Baby Manic? Yeah. I'm not leaving? Yeah. Don't you panic? Yeah.
Stop.
Let me show you this one. It's a multi-shirt.
There's no shame in being broken-hearted, though I try to do more to fix my soul. I'm trying to be more than when I started. There's no path before me, there's no horror story that could ever keep my God from swinging low. People act a certain way in trials, different than they do on any day. This is when you see a man's true colors. This is when he shows you how much he can go through before all his faith is stripped away. It's a long way down, and I owe it to my family. Keep my feet on the ground. It's in the sunshine, I feel the sunshine shining down on me. Unfaithful times where all I do is worry and doubt. That's when my God comes like warming rays of summer, melting all my worries and my insecurities and giving me the I've been with her.